In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete history and cache in Google Chrome vertical bar. Step-by-step tutorial. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. In some versions of Chrome, you may also reach the same area by opening Settings, then going to Privacy and Security. Both paths take you to the same place, so use whichever one is easier for you. When the clear browsing data window appears, the first thing you will need to choose is the time range. For example, you can delete data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or from all time. If you want a full cleanup, selecting all time is usually the best choice. If you only want to remove recent activity, choose a shorter range instead. Next, make sure browsing history is checked. Also check cached images and files. The cache stores parts of websites, like images and page data, so pages can load faster in the future. Clearing it can help fix loading problems and remove outdated website content. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. Chrome will begin removing the browsing history and cached files. That covers everything you need to know.